Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I have a haul from Citi Trends, Dollar Tree, and Roses. So I'm going to start with Roses first. So from Roses I purchased this bag here. It's just black with the gold handles, and this is my current bag that I am using. So I just put a silver key chain on the bag. So this bag, I saved the name tag, and it was $7.99, and it is by the Kiss Me Couture brand. Also from Roses I purchased this it's a toothbrush holder, but I'm going to use it as something else. So I purchased this cute toothbrush holder and I love it. It has the zebra print and it has a rose lipstick and an eyeshadow palette. So I love it. And it was $3.99. And now let's get to Dollar Tree. These were some new finds. They had the LA Color new display, so I picked up the LA Colors bronzer in Sun Goddess. I also picked up the brow tint in dark brown, the brow tint in black, and the smoothing face primer in clear. And they also have it in yellow, cool pink, peach, and green. And the clear, it just minimizes pores. So I purchased that. And from Citi Trends I purchased this pretty bag here, this tote bag, and it just says hustle like a boss and live like a queen, and it was 89 cents. It was just 89 cents. And I also purchased another bag, which is so cute. So it just has the pink bow on the front and the pink handle, and the scraps are black. And I also paid $7.99 for this bag, and it's just black and white in the inside. So I love very small, compact bags like this. So guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.